Iran Fara Bourse, as one of the financial markets in Iran's capital market, is incorporated of 5 market segments. First and second market are for transaction of listed stock. The third market contains upstairs block trades, M&A, all kinds of underwriting, collecting stock from retail shareholders, and commercializing intellectual properties. At base market, shares of public joint stock companies are being traded which are not able to be traded in the main markets at Fara Bourse or Tehran Stock Exchange. Finally, modern financial instrument market, which was created to accomplish IFB mission to diversify financial instruments. Launching ETF board as well as provision to trade housing mortgage rights and suku, including ijara, musharaka, murabaha, istisna, etc., have been done at this market. Iran Fara Bourse is pleased to introduce for the first time the construction funds as one of the new instruments in Iran capital market. This instrument aims to generate a live and dynamic housing sector in the country. Construction Fund is a financial entity established under license of SEO. These funds gather people's money and allocate this money to finance appropriate construction projects. Investment banks and investment companies and also experienced holding companies in construction sector will manage the construction funds. Before and upon finance approval of the construction project, a range of professions will contribute, including auditor, trustee, market maker, underwriter, construction manager, and technical supervisor. At completion of a construction phase, fund trustee checks selling process of the housing units of the project to best buyers through auction or other methods. The net profit will be divided among investors according to the fund's prospects. Given the usual inflation in the housing sector, investors with any amount of investment will benefit. In other words, using these funds, there is no longer a need to have large amount of money to invest in housing sector. Hereinafter, even with 10,000 rial could be a part of the construction project and contribute to the amount of investment income. For instance, in these funds, a square meter could be divided to 4,500 investment units valued 10,000 rial. Each investor could buy as many of these units as he or she is willing to. Launching construction fund will have a lot of advantages because of the official and legal character of the fund. Some advantages are separating the project finance and project management team, guaranteeing a timely finance, flexible finance appropriate to the market condition and price changes, eliminating the resources cost volatility risk in the project progress, stabilizing the purchase power of investment unit holders across housing inflation and also tax exemption. All in all, a construction fund will have a key role in housing market through stimulating the supply in the housing market, managing the risk and increasing the purchase power by converting the potential to an active demand. We hope these funds could be a solution to an increasing demand in the housing market. Construction funds no longer need a full house price to invest in a housing market.